song. For the Lord is the great God.
I'd like to take you back in time. Back before I had this little... Not just a decision I made in a classroom. Sometimes I made that decision in life. Bless you. Take that as an amen.
Then there's also the personal privilege and the right and the mandate. You have honor and a long life. Let me ask you a question. No. We're glad you're here too. So anyway, opinions when we meet other people.
Sorry,
Let me
Charlie.
ask you a question. But what is your reputation at Indiana West?
Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.
That's who we really are. But it's also why the world doesn't have a negotiation with physical boundaries. What's that?